morning, people. My lecture today is on the process of designing control system. Every organization develops, as I've been telling you, that control is very important. Maintaining control is very important in an organization, so that the employees, the management work towards the achievement of the organization goals. How does the control system that exists in an organization, how it is designed, what needs to be what needs to be done before designing a control system. So we'll see it here. Control system in an organization is used to modify the behavior of a system so it behaves in a specific desirable way over time. So why do we need control? We need control because the organization wants the employees, the management to work towards the achievement of its goal, which is to earn profit. So they want all its department to work towards towards achieving it. For example, we may want an aircraft to follow a desired altitude, or we may want the speed of a car on the highway to remain as close as possible to 60 miles per hour. So, if we want an aircraft to follow a desired altitude, the control system in an aircraft is designed so that it follows that. A car, the speed of the car can be achieved. This 60 miles per hour can be achieved by having a control system. So these are all achieved by using control methods. This is how control in an organization may also work. So this is a quality strategy that can be used by organizations to improve processes. It is a define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. It's a data-driven quality strategy, and it improves processes. It can be implemented as a quality improvement procedure or as part of other process improvement initiatives. People, this is a graphic representation which says define, then measure, analyze, if needed, modify, and then redesign again. If redesigning or modification is not needed, then improve that what you have made and control. Defining the problem, improvement activity, opportunity from improvement, the project goals, and customer requirements. Before designing a controlling system, you should be aware. They should be aware of what actually the problem is, what is the goal, and what is their requirement, what actually do they need while controlling in an organization, what exactly is their type of control that they need. They can have a control wherein a participative management, or rather excessive control. It depends on an organization. So before designing the control system, they need to know, they need to be told as in what exactly is the organization's requirement. Measure the process performance. What exactly is the core business involved in? What is the customer survey results, and what problem they're facing? What is the shortfall? Analyze the process to determine root causes of variation, poor performance. Improve process by addressing and eliminating the root causes. How can you, once you have defined it, once you have measured the actual performance, once you have analyzed it, you have compared it, then you need to improve it. Once you have improved it, you need to control it, because controlling the improved performance, improved process is important so that it doesn't revert to its old ways. If there is no control, it may revert to its old ways. Alright, so, and these are some of the steps which are used, rather which are taken into consideration while designing a control system in an organization. The first step is defining the problem, as the MAIC suggests. Define the problem. What is the problem, or what actually does the organization need? Research and gather information. Identify criteria and specify constraints. What are the desired elements that are needed, and what is the cost? Rather, they may have a cost, so what exactly is the cost that they are looking to incur on the control systems? Everybody has a budget, so the organization for control systems also has a budget. What is the controls? What is their budget? What is the cost that they are ready to incur? Are they looking for a very expensive control system, or least expensive? So it depends on an organization. Generate ideas, brainstorm, get a group discussion, and generate ideas. What exactly, because when many people sit together, many ideas may also come. So sit in a group and see what ideas you can get. Explore possibilities. After you have got the ideas, explore what best you can do, what best you want to do. You can clarify the ideas, and many would have given, while brainstorming, while in a group discussion, many would have given ideas, duplicate ideas. So you need to rather clarify it and remove the duplicate ideas. Select an approach. Then once you have done all this, you need to select which approach you are looking towards. You are looking towards interactive approach. You are looking towards any other approach, as in single or dual approach. As told in my previous chapters, you are designing a control system now, so it would depend on an organization what kind of control system are they looking for. Develop a design proposal. After you have explored the possibility, develop a proposal, as in a draft. Make a model, again a brief out of it, a draft. Test and evaluate. Once you have made a draft or a brief, test that whether it is working or not. What is the result? Evaluate its performance. Refine the design if needed. If needed, refine the design. Create or make solution. After this is all done, make the model, make the solution, make the control system, and communicate it to the management. Submit the final report to the management. People, this is the future of management control systems. What do you think should be the future? Because control is very important, we all have understood this now. But anything, if doesn't adapt to change, it may then be redundant. It is useless. Similarly, management control systems are also expected to change along with the changing environment. The following factors must be monitored at all times. Individuals will usually behave in their own self-interest. Why do we work? Why do we go to an office to work? Give 9 hours there in an office, adhere to every whatever we've been told, we adhere to our breaks, adhere to anything that we've been told, we adhere. Why? Because our motivation to work might be financial. We need money, we therefore work. or we need to spend, we need to learn. Some people may join to learn, some people, everybody has different approach, but usually it is self-interest approach, because uh, when you go to work in an organization, you really don't think about its goals, ultimate goal. Their ultimate goal is to earn profit. We usually think we doing our work, we get our salaries, and that's it. So next comes designing systems so that individuals pursuing their own self-interest will also achieve the organization's objectives. You have incentives, rather the organizations, if you get this much quality, you get this much incentive. So you are aligning it with the organization's objectives. You have good quality, you get this much incentive. You are paying them financially because that is what they want. But there is a condition to it. The employees need to have excellent quality. This is aligning, this gives them customer retention and many other advantages. So this is aligning with their ultimate objective, ultimate goal. However, they are paying the employees, they are financially assisting the employees. So employee gives a good quality, they earn incentives. Best benchmark for evaluating current performance is expected or budgeted performance. Non-financial performance is just as important as financial performance. Periodically review the success of the management control system. Learn from your and your competitors' mistake. Non-financial performance is something which is intangible, or rather goodwill, loyalty, quality. These are non-financial performance. Financial is again incentive-based, monetary incentives. Review the success of your management control system, whether it is still of use or not. And you should always learn from your past mistakes, also from your competitors' mistakes, because everybody learns from mistake. If you do not, then you are too shrewd to learn, and that might be a hindrance to the organization's objective. And so that's about it, people, today. These are some of the questions. Go through it. Thank you for listening.